this one that is going to have its holes on the inside. Like, so it goes, what it does is it goes on top of here. Goes on top of here. But the holes go on the inside. So I think turn it around. If you turn it around. Yep. Like that. And then, can you see what it looks like on here? So these things are sticking out the middle down here. So flip it over a bit. Yeah, flip it over again, and again. Like that. Yeah. Is that gonna stick on? Cool, nice work.
Dad.
Yeah, it's coming together, isn't it? I think that's right. What's going on here? What's next? Doesn't look right. Oh yeah, it does. Okay. Next step is putting these two on. So there you go. I'll do the first one. So I'll do the first one. It goes on there like that. And then one on the other side. You got it? Oh, I think it's the wrong way around. Spin it around. Yeah, that's the way. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Let me. Yeah. That's going on. That's going on. Cool. Oh, is it just not working? Go on, give it one more try. Yeah, that was good. Yeah, there we go. I'll just do this bit because I think it might break if I try too hard. Okay. What's next? Next is these two. These two go. They go just like this one's, but they go on the end here. So, like, so one goes, yeah, goes on the end there like that, and one on the other side. Is it gonna work? Let me know if you want me to help, okay? Ah, well done. Yep, one on the other side. Yep. It's very fiddly, isn't it? Yeah. Okay. Right, now we've got some different bits to use now. Okay, on one side, this is going to go on one side, like there, yeah, facing inwards. Oh, other way up. No, wait. Okay, so the holes go in the bottom there, don't they?
Yeah.
And that goes on that side. Yep. Okay, and we've got two bits that go sit the same one. Yep, so that one. And another little one. Okay, now we're ready to put it on here.
Yeah.
So which way does it go? I think it goes, yeah, it goes that way. Goes a bit further up, right up, close, further. Yep, like that. So it says, anyway. Is that on? Is it on? It's on. Oh, it looks more like a truck now, doesn't it? Oh no, what happened there? You get it back on? Okay, now I just need to put the window on the front.
Oh, Dad.
Yeah, I don't need those bits yet. Window on the front. That's the window done. And what's next? I think the next bit is just putting the wheels on, and then it's finished. One. Two. 3. Ooh. 4. Finished. Nice work. You finished it.
Yeah.
Well done. Does it look good?
Yeah.
And what does it do?
Back.
The back goes up.
Yeah.
Well done, kiddo.
Dad.
Now